That death race is different from this race. We say first one, see what is the meaning of race, what is the starting point, what is the ending point, what is the meaning of winner. Any contest of speed, in running or in driving or riding is called race. Any contest of speed in running or driving or riding is called race. Next one is the point from where a race begins. A point at which a race begins is called a starting point. The point where the race finishes is called a finishing point or winning point. The terminology is important. I'm going to use the same terminology to solve the problems. So starting point, winning point, or finishing point. Next one is the winner means a person who will reach the winning point first. First, a person who first reaches the finishing point is called winner. The person who first reaches the finishing point or winning point is called a winner. Who will not reach the finishing point is called loser. Okay, now, these are the terminology we are going to use to solve the problems in races and games. Next one, Azuma, if it is a game, there will be more than one person. Then what is called a winner loser. If there is only one person, it is not a winning inclusive. He is a winner, he is a loser. So, this is a game or race, we require minimum more than one person to pass. Okay, Azuma, anyway, because from each topic we are going to get 3 marks. 3 questions. Let me start a small problems. In a contest, assume there is a 2 participants. I am going to conduct one game. In that game, there is a 1-2 participant. One is the winner, other person is the loser. One is the winner, other one is the loser. Okay, again you can classify as 2 types. There is a 2 participant. You can make that game as in 2 ways. One is Azuma. The winner can give. Anyway, the winner is going to win the game. The winner is going to give or is going to allow the loser. The winner is going to allow the loser a start of t seconds. Otherwise, a start of x meter. That means also there is a game, there is a running race from Karninagar to Aramburi. The winner starts from Karninagar. The winner is telling to the loser, okay, you can start from here to Pala. The winner is starting from Karnia. The winner is giving or allowing the loser, you can start from colony to Pala. That means it is allowing the loser to start at a distance of x meter or start at t seconds. That means starting distance is equal to x meter and the starting time is 3 seconds. The winner is allowing the loser to start at x meter or to start at x seconds. That is one case. In the second case, the winner can beat. Yeah, the winner is a winner, he is going to win the game. The winner can beat the loser. How many time? How much time? How much time gap? The winner can beat the loser by t seconds. Also, the game is a 1 hour 50 seconds, like that. The winner is going to beat the loser in 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 3 seconds. That means winner can beat the loser by 3 seconds. Otherwise, the winner is going to beat the loser by x meter. What the same mean? In this case, it is a beating means beat distance and beat time. The winner can beat means the distance, how much the distance is going to beat is called the extra distance. In that time interval, in that time distance is going to beat the loser. 2 cases.
Sir?
Yes, yes.
Can you speak closer to the microphone, sir? It's hard to listen.
Yes, it is audible.
Little better, sir.
Now, you can see the video. I'm keeping that mic close to my mouth only. Check it out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When you do that, it is good, sir. So you had another headphone, no, sir? That was better. The big headphone.
Now I'm using that one. Okay, so we are having both at a time. We are having the class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and the next point. Let the this starting point is a capital X, ending point is capital Y. Assume the distance. Starting point is a X, coordinate, the ending point is Alambari. The total length of a race is assumed as a capital L. L is the length of the, or the distance between Karnanagar to Alambari. L is the length of the race. Okay, now assume A and B starts together at a distance X. First case, A and B will start at a distance X. When A finish the game Y, when A finish the game at Y, that means the person A reach the finishing point. At that, whenever he is reaching the finishing point, if you see the B reaches Z1. Total distance we have to both the person have to travel the L distance. That is start from X, reach the Y. Then both person 100% they have to travel L length meter. Then only they will reach the winning point. Assume they both persons started together at a distance X, which means 0 meter. Both A and B started at a distance X. When A finish Y, that means when person A reaches the winning point, if you see the B person is at a distance Z. Now A is at Y, B is at Z. Now what is the loser distance? He is a loser. He is a loser. Loser
X.
is loser distance. How much time? How much distance you lose? That means if you know the point B, the point person B is at this point. If you want to reach this Y, how much distance you have to travel?
X only, no, sir.
No, X only, but compare loser distance. How much you lose it?
He lost by a distance of X.
L my total distance. I mean, I'm asking how. Okay, that is okay. X. How much distance he traveled?
L minus X.
L minus
L
X.
minus
L
6.
minus X. Okay, next one is assume the winner is going to ask the loser to start at a distance X. Winner is asking the loser can start at a distance X. Next one, next diagram. Check it out. A gives B a start of X meter. A is asking, that means A is the winner, B is the loser. A is asking or allowing the B start at a distance X meter. That means now B is at this point, A is at point X. A starts at X, but B starts at Z. Assume this distance is X. Is asking you can start at 1 meter ahead, or 2 meter ahead, or 5 meter ahead of winner. This X is nothing but ahead of A. At the same time, both persons started at the same time, but B starts at a distance X. Then what is the loser time? Loser's distance, loser distance. Winner distance is L. Winner means you have to start from X, you have to reach the Y. Then how much distance the winner traveled means capital L distance. Then what about the loser distance means L minus X. If you want to reach this distance means you have to travel L minus X. Because he is at this position, if you want to reach the winning point means you have to travel total distance minus X. Then L minus X is the loser distance. These two are, first one, this is the A. A beats B by X meter. A beats B by X meter. This is the X meter. A is beating B. This is the A gives B a start of X meter. This give it can start ahead of X meter. Two cases. We can talk in terms of time also. We can talk in terms of this is in terms of X. Both these two models are these two cases are in terms of distance X. See the third case. A beats B by T seconds. A beats B by T seconds. Assume both are started at X, starting point. Starting distance is 0. If A and B starts at a distance, then starting point is 0 meter. Then you have to reach the winning point. Then A beats B by T seconds. Assume A reaches the winning point 8 seconds. B reaches the winning point 10 seconds. And what is the beating time is? Loser time minus T. That means gap is 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, A reaches the destination or winning point. So A and B starts at X. A finish the Y, but T seconds before B finish. This is called A beats B by T seconds, or A gives B a start of T seconds. Then winner's time, A. The winner's is A, in this case A is the winner. The winner's time is equal to loser time minus T. Loser time minus T. This is the formula, these two formulas, finding and use the winner's time or loser's distance. These two are I'm going to use to find the other parameter. What are the parameters they're asking in the question? I'm going to use L minus X or loser's time minus T. So based on these two diagrams, based on in this case, these two diagrams are with respect to two participants. There may be more than two participants. I am not taking that problem. So I have taken only there is a race or there is a game. In that game, only two participants A and B or P and Q. What are the names? Based on these two diagrams, you see the sum formulas. From the above figures, we can get the following formulas. In general, winners, how much distance the winner traveled means the length of the race, capital L. The winner's distance is equal to length of the race. When person is winning means you have to start from corner and with the under. Total distance traveled by winner is the length of the race. Okay, next point. It is important. This is formula simple. Loser's distance. Loser's distance. How much distance is losing? Winner's distance, that is capital L. Winner's distance is length of the race, capital L, minus how much distance is going to beat. Winner's distance minus beat distance plus start distance. Anyway, both persons in the engine, if it is a race or game, all the participants will start from zero distance. Every participant will start from coordinate. In some problem, they will start distance. Instead of starting zero distance, they may start from some day. You see the games? That's why the loser distance is nothing but the winner distance minus, in general, winner distance minus beat distance only. But there will be some start distances there will come across that problem first. So in general, loser distance is equal to winner distance minus beat distance plus and minus of beat distance plus start distance. Next one, winner time. Winner's time is equal to loser's time minus beat time. Or beat time plus start time. Because all the games will start from zero time. They will set their stopwatch at zero. Once the game started, they will press that start button, no stopwatch button. That's what it's called beat time plus start time. In general, the start time is always zero. Start distance also in general zero. General formula loser's distance equal to winners. Because the distance is you have to deal with the distance one. If it's time, you have to deal with time one. That's why I told you here. It is this is called loser distance. Loser distance L minus S. Winner's time. Sorry, winner's distance. Yeah. Loser's distance L minus S. This is the beat. What is the total distance is in X? The beating time or beat distance L minus X. If we want to reach this Y means